Hey guys, come from bbqspitrotisseries. I'm here to answer a question I get asked all the time. How do I make my own barbecue rub? Well, you can totally do that, or you can pick from an amazing range. But if you want to give a hand at doing your own rubs, I think there's some fundamentals that you need to use. Salt and pepper are always a staple in every barbecue rub. Now, not all salts are made the same, not all pepper is made the same. Pepper goes by mesh size. We try to go a little bit thicker, so 14 to 16 mesh. Ask your local spice merchant or spice dealer if they can get that. Salt, obviously kosher salt I like to use because it's refined a little bit differently and it's not as salty, so you can add a little bit more. Now that's a really great foundation, and obviously we build on that with things like smoked paprika, mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powders, and really the sky's the limit. You can add anything you want. I add espresso coffee to mine. It's a little hint you can use to create an amazing bark without adding sugars. So just remember, sky's the limit, but salt and pepper are a great base.